Hello everyone. So in today's lecture we are going to convert this primal LP problem into dual LP problem. So first step involved is to convert any primal problem in standard form. For what is the standard form I am taking? First is my objective function should be in maximization form. Okay. So for that I have to multiply my objective function with -1 to convert into maximize form. Okay, so it will become as maximization problem where my new objective function is z dash, which is equals to negative of zx, which is equals to minus 3x2 minus 5x3. Okay, so that's my objective function in maximization form. Second step is to convert any greater than equals to equality into less than equals to equality. Inequality into equality form. Inequality form. Sorry, here it will be inequality form. Okay, so here it is greater than form. This is correct. So first I will convert that x1 plus x2 greater than equals to 2 in less than equals to form by multiplying again with -1. So now this constraint equation will become x1 minus x1 minus x2, which is less than equals to -2. Okay, this is in correct form. Next is what we will do with equality constraints. So it will convert it into two inequalities. One will be where my constraint equation is having less than equals to form, this is 3, and another is where it is greater than. So that is correct. Okay, so first constraint equation, this one is second, this one I am getting as third, and last I have to again convert into less than equals to form. For that I will multiply with again -1. So new constraint equation will be minus x1 plus x2 minus x3, which is less than equals to -4. So I am having 4 constraint equation. My objective function is in maximization form, so we will write it in standard primal form. So what is my standard primal form of LP? My objective function is in maximization. It is x dash, where objective function is having two variables x2 and x3 in maximizing, subject to first constraint equation is x1. From here I am copying it, minus x1 minus x2, which is less than -2. Second one will remain same, so it is 2x1 plus x2 plus 6x3, which is less than 6. Third is this one, which we get from equality constraint, and next again we have got from equality constraint. Here it is x1, x2 will become positive, this is negative again, and in less than form -4. So all the decision variables are greater than 0. So that's my standard primal form. Okay, where my objective function is in maximization form, all the constraint equations are in less than equals to form. Okay, next step is to convert standard into dual primal problem. So what are the steps involved in converting LP problem in dual LP problem is transposing row and column of coefficients and constraints. So basically what we are going to do is, this is my standard primal problem. So all the rows, if I make constraints in matrix form, that is minus 1, 0, 2, 1, 6, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 3. So basically I will write first column as first constraint equation in my new problem, like minus 1 w1 plus 2 w2 plus w3 minus w4. Okay, similarly second row will be getting from column, so minus w1 plus w2 minus w3 plus w4, and last column will give me last constraint equation, that is 0 w1 plus 6 w2 plus 3 w3 minus 3 w4. Okay, so first step is done. I have transposed row and column of coefficients in constraint equation. Next is I have to transpose right hand side constant with objective function coefficient. So my objective function coefficients are 0x1 minus 3x2 minus 5x3. They will come here like 0, 3 and 5. Okay, they will become constant, right hand side constant of constraint equation, and right hand side constant of constraint equation in primal problem will become coefficients of objective function, that is minus 2 w1 plus 6 w2 plus 4 w3 minus 4 w4. So this step is also done. Next is I have to change inequalities, less than inequalities as greater than equalities in dual problem. So here just write it like this. So that step is also done. Last is my minimization problem. I will have minimization objective function instead of maximization in dual problem. So it will be minimum ZW, my new objective function. So this is dual LP problem. Okay, and all my decision variable will be having value greater than equals to 0. Okay, so that's how we can convert any standard LP problem in dual LP problem. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.